Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi K90 Pro Max, and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. It doesn't really matter on which mode you are here, because we will open general settings. To do that, let's swipe your finger from the top to the center, or simply tap on this arrow here and tap on the settings. Then let's go to this general section and scroll all the way down. Tap on other settings and tap on restore default settings. Confirm it by tapping on OK, and the settings flashed a little bit, which means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.